So, hey guys, today I forgot. I'm not saying this right. So, anyways, I'm going to be showing you how to make jiggly slime. So, what y'all need is like a hard slime. It's kind of hard. I messed up on it earlier, so it's a little stretchy because I put water in it by accident. So, what you need to do is get some of this Last Totally Awesome laundry detergent, and it has to have fabric softener, and make sure it's the purple one because I recommend the purple one. So I have my base slime, so I'm gonna add this into here. If you want to get this, I found it at the Dollar Tree. So you go over there, don't dislike the video. It is not clickbait. It's how you make it. So let's go. It's getting thicker. I can feel it. Oh my goodness. It's like already absorbing it. It's not turning to slime. I'm making a... Oh my gosh. This is kind of hard. I need somebody to turn off this camera now because this is messing up. Oh, it's everywhere. It's getting everywhere. This is not clickbait. So don't hate and say it's fake, because it's not fake. Not fake. It's just me doing recipes. So don't say it's fake, because it is not fake. This is going to be proof. I'm making it right now. And this does not activate slime. It's weird because it's like it absorbs really fast. Like it's barely even in there now. Like as you can see, it's barely even in there. There's a mess everywhere. Like, oh my gosh, I can't even see it. You guys can't even see it, but it's like a big mess right now. This video is gonna have to be a little short because I am about to go clean up my room. Okay, I have slime on my camera, so I'll be right back with this. So I have to, because I need to clean up. This is not really that working that much. It works other times, but this is not working anymore. Like bubbles, I made homemade bubbles one time, and now I just made them again, and they're not working for some reason. Probably because I didn't add enough baking soda into it. And so, yeah. This is not, it's like ripping apart right now. So I am about to go filter this and knead it for a long time. And yeah, be right back. I can't even press this. After you do that, you want to add some shampoo. It has got lower because the shampoo was holding up the camera. So you want to add some in. You want to add it in. And then I recommend like jiggly shampoo. Like, you know, shampoo, you know, that's jiggly. And then you want to kind of mix it. You want to mix it. So that's something I forgot to add the shampoo. So you want to add that. Like, you want the slime to consume all of it. You want the slime to consume all of it. So you want the slime to consume it. I think I did this wrong because I was supposed to add the glue in, and then, yeah, I'm pretty sure I did this wrong. I know I had some slimes that have melted, but I think that was the rest of my shampoo. Ooh. Come on. I think I messed up, but it's a good experiment to try your creation again. So, it's bleeding out a little bit. It's bleeding. It's not really that slime texture. I'm really silent because this is not really that working as it usually does, so I might have to end this video. Well, all I can tell you is that if you accidentally did it wrong like me, yeah, if you accidentally did it wrong like me, all you need to do is just like reverse it and put the glue in, then the detergent, then that. Okay, I'll be right back. Again, I came and touch it. Why don't let me touch you? My hands are wet, so I can't even touch the button. Okay, you need to let me touch the button. Let me touch it. There we go. You guys, I don't have any time to make it, but make the same thing, because you made, like, the other slime just made this a webby thing, and it was like really hard still, so it should, let's put you back up here, there you go, and now it should look like this. So after, if you follow me, you will have to dump that slime, the same thing that I did. I messed up in this video, so it should turn out like this, kind of jiggly slime. It's really nice, and I can't do it because my tablet is about to die, and so I can't work in. My charger is too far away from my bed, from my input behind my bed, so you won't be able to do it. But hey, it will turn out like this. The recipe is add a lot of glue, like not like a big slime. Like, I'm not trying to make a big slime, but then you will need that Lost Totally. You can add food coloring if you want. Then you need the Lost Totally Awesome detergent, and then you will need that shampoo, like a kind of a really jiggly shampoo, I would say. So yeah, you will need that, and then you need to add a lot of, like a little, like you will need about, I would say about, if you have measuring cups, I'd say about a teaspoon each time. No, a tablespoon. I forgot which one's bigger. I forgot. Like, anyone that's big, it's either teaspoon or tablespoon. So if you do that, I think you guys know which one is bigger, because I forgot. Okay, you don't need to turn off, please. Yeah, my brain is literally rotting right now, because it's the summertime right now for me. So yeah, it's the summertime. So you guys, go up to SMFM's channel and go ask her why she doing all this, because she is crazy. Like, everybody that's watched this video, go up to her channel, ask her why she did it. If she balks you, just don't care. Make videos, reproduce videos, share it with your friends, and so we can confront her. She banned I have other accounts, and so she banned all of them. Like MT YouTube, That's on my tablet. Mackenzie didn't. We haven't made another videos besides our intro and outro. So yeah. And I love it. I love the slime. It's so nice. So yeah, and if it gets a little sticky after a few days, just don't worry. Just add a little bit more, like Tide. But you'll need, it's totally awesome. You'll need a lot of it, almost the same amount as the glue, but a little less than that. I'm gonna go record a Minecraft video later on tonight, so, or in the morning if you live somewhere else, or when you're sleeping. So, good night or good morning to you, whoever sees this video, and the video tonight. So, good morning or good night or anything. So, yeah, it's like, I forgot what time it is. So anyways, it's time for me to go. So thank you guys for watching. If you are available, smash that up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also, the recipe will be in the link in the description. So yeah, bye.